Over 70% of home buyers are using social media to find their next property. This means if you're not using social media for your real estate business, then you are missing out on one big opportunity. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn provide you with a way to build trust with other people. It also provides you with opportunities to showcase your property listings and engage with potential clients. And there are 3 things that you need to do to succeed on these platforms. First, make sure you are creating content that engages your audience. You can do this by sharing market updates or sharing market tips. These tips can be on topics like home maintenance or home buying tips. The goal is to provide value to your audience so that the day they are ready to make a transaction, they will think of you first. Also, feel free to tell the stories behind the properties that you're selling. Do not just sell 4 walls and a roof. If the house is next to a celebrity, talk about it. If a movie or a certain series was shot in the house, broadcast it. If the building was designed by a famous designer, do not leave this one out. If it's a home that has been in one family for generations, be sure to mention it in your description. Secondly, remember to be consistent. Being consistent is how frequently you post on social media. For Facebook, aim at posting 1 to 2 posts per day. This is the same case for Instagram. For TikTok, you can post between 1 to 2 videos a day. And this is possible because users in TikTok do not care for fancy editing. As X, it's easy to post in, aim for 3 to 4 posts a day. The final platform, LinkedIn in this case, is not as engaging as the others. So you can post 1 per day. For YouTube, a lot of editing is needed for your videos. So you can aim to 1 to 2 videos per week. Once you post on this consistent schedule, you will understand what resonates with your audience, and then you can adapt the number of posts per platform. And adapting means you can either end up posting more frequently depending on the results that you see, or you can end up posting less frequently. I know the number of posts I've indicated appear a lot, but what you can do to make sure you're able to achieve this is have a content calendar. A content calendar will help ensure a consistent experience for your followers. If you need help coming up with a content calendar, give us a call and we shall be able to provide to you one for free. Third, take advantage of social media advertising. The good thing about social media advertising is that these platforms allow you to target your specific customers. You can narrow down your audience by location, demographic, interest, or their specific behaviors. Additionally, there are different forms of adverts that you can run. You can run adverts that are aimed at getting more contact from the community. You can do this by running ads that provide specific forms for people to fill, and you can do this to either grow your email listing and get emails of people who you can send whenever you are looking for people to come and book your property. You can run ads that are directing people to your website. When they go to the website, it makes it possible for them to see all the properties that you are offering, whether it's properties for sale or properties for rent. If you are willing to take your social media game to the next level, give us a call as well, and we'll help you create a strategy to make you stand out as a real estate agent, grow your brand, and increase your reach. And when you do this, you will be sure to see your business grow.